Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WordCoin failed to fetch data fast. First, hold the WordCoin app icon on your mobile device until a small menu appears. Then tap on the info icon to open the app settings. Here, tap on storage and cache. You'll see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Now tap on clear cache. This removes temporarily files that might be blocking the app from loading data properly. After that, go back to your home screen and open the Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, tap on Updates Available. This section shows all apps that need an update. Look for WordCoin in the list and tap Update if it's available. Keeping your app updated helps fix bugs and improve performance. Once the update is finished, go back and restart your phone. Restarting clears background issues and helps the changes take effect. After your phone restarts, open the WordCoin app again. It should now work smoothly and connect without showing the failed to fetch data error. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.